super stressed out.
I don't understand it. I went trick-or-treating and all I got was a bag full of rocks. I suppose you spend all night in the pumpkin patch.
Hi, it's Monday, October 25th. My name is Tasia. I make nursing school vlogs. I am a senior 1 nursing student. My program is 2 years, so I graduate next May. I make YouTube videos about my journey, so if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on this journey because it's gonna be a wild one. And today I went to clinical. It was so amazing. I loved all the nurses there. 10 out of 10. Good clinical day, and I got Crumbl. Time has passed. Me and my classmate ate some Crumbl cookie. That was her first time having it, so that was kind of fun. I did some Quizlets while laying in bed and only watching Registered Nurse RN. For this week, as you guys should know by now, I failed my past 2 exams. The first one I failed by 3 points, the second one I failed by 1 point. So now I'm completely unplugging myself from any external distraction that I use outside of studying, which is television, Instagram, even though it's nursing Instagram, still a distraction, and TikTok. I deleted all those off my phone, and the only thing that's allowed to play on that television is Registered Nurse RN or other helpful nursing videos regarding my exam. So the only free time I get, I guess, is listening to music or talking on the phone with my boyfriend. So just to really focus in and really make sure I'm doing everything that I can to ensure that I do good on these exams, because I gotta do better and I'm committed to this. So yeah, I am going over the lecture right now. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow I have work. Wednesday I have work. Thursday I have simulation online. Friday is the day of the exam. Saturday, I'm moving all of that assignment. I need to update my board. I'm moving all the assignments to Saturday. And then I want to get back to uploading the vlogs on Sundays, because those days seem to be better than posting on Tuesdays. Let me know if you guys like when I post on Tuesdays or Sunday or whatever your preference is. Very helpful to me. That way I'm not just freeballing, and I like being on a schedule because it helps me be consistent. The reason why I started uploading on Tuesdays was because I'd be studying for my exam through the weekend. I'm a better test taker when I don't have to study through the weekend for some reason. I don't know why. I like taking my exams on Fridays. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this lecture. I already started a little bit. I just have a few more questions to answer. I don't know if I told you guys, but I had a really good clinical day. I love the staff. They were so sweet. Every nurse was like, "Hey, come in here. Hey, you want to see something?" And I haven't had a clinical rotation consistent like that yet, so it was really nice to see. This lecture now.
We also look at the type of how severe each stage is. So this is an epidural.
Who can study like this? Huh? Ignoring. Right, so I got done with work. I'm home now. I don't have any class today because it's considered a clinical day. So I'm just going to finish up watching these Registered Nurse RN videos. I will admit today has been very tough. Not coming home and watching TV, or coming home and mainly coming home and watching TV. That was definitely a comfort zone for me, but everything that I'm doing is studious, whether it be flashcards on Quizlet, or if I'm gonna have the TV on, it's gonna be Registered Nurse RN or lo-fi. So I've just been doing that. Good morning. It's Wednesday. I'm working. I have class at 1, and and study. I'm super stressed out. Because our clinical got canceled, we're scrambling at the last second to meet hours for this class. So he's assigning like a bunch of extra work for us to do, but we have to reach out to him and calculate our own hours and then report back to him with what we came up with and what we're missing. So that's a little hectic. In the midst of all this, still studying rigorously because my exam is Friday. Been doing a ton of daily affirmations, and like I said, I have not been on any social media, and nothing plays on this television unless it's related to increased cranial pressure or renal failure. I'm about to watch another lecture from his class, take notes on that, print out, I want to print out the TA notes, and then I'm going to print out the Lewis keynotes from the chapter. He released those as well as resources. And then I'll be doing Quizlet. Tomorrow we have, I'm not
May I have the faith to believe that you'll show up and do what only you can do. Make me bold. Give us unshakable spiritual convictions that we have the
So I just got done studying with my classmate. I'm feeling pretty good about the stuff that I need to focus on, like my weak areas and my strength areas. I'm just gonna go home and do more practice questions and then look up a little bit more resources. Yes, the test is tomorrow. I feel very, very good. I listened to that sermon this morning that I showed you guys, and I feel like positive about myself and my capabilities. I passed my exam! Yes! So, I'm going to the football game with my brothers to get out of the house. Hi! Today is Saturday. Yesterday I found out that I passed my exam by 41 out of 50. Way better than I expected. I have my last exam on Friday, so I will be, I just want to keep staying off of social media, not watching any shows until I'm like done. I just want to keep staying focused. I only have one more exam to go, so let's keep the streak going, you know, it works. So that's what I'm doing yesterday. I did take a break though and watched all of my shows except for Married at First Sight. I'm just back to the grind. This last exam is a cumulative, and he's adding 4 extra topics on it. Instead of it being out of 50, it's out of 65. I'm rewatching lecture. I do want to apologize for being so sad. These past 2 vlogs, I know I haven't been enthusiastic and stuff, but that's just the real of how I'm feeling. I'm not gonna fake it for you guys because that would harm me in the long run. It'd be cut and dry, and I'm still proud of myself for uploading videos. If you stayed all the way to right now, I appreciate you. Thank you for sticking by me through this very tough time in nursing school. So yeah, after this week, which will be, I think it's November 6th, ICU is done, and then I move on to maternity. And November 15th, I apply for my last semester in nursing school. So it's very, very exciting. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Well, don't take it too hard, Linus. I've done a lot of stupid things in my life, too.